Hello everybody, today I will be showing you how to make bread. So start off by adding 2 teaspoons of yeast and 2 tablespoons of honey to a cup of room temperature water and mix it around. Once it's well mixed, let it sit for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, you're going to want to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and mix that around well. Once that's done, add 2 1/4 cups of flour to your mixing bowl, and I like to sift it before so it doesn't clump up, and then add your mixture and then start mixing and mix for around 10 minutes until it's fully come together. I forgot to film the part where I kneaded it, but you take it out of the mixer and you knead it until it looks like so, and then you take it and you put it into a greased bowl and you let it rest for an hour and a half to 2 hours. Once it's rested for an hour and a half or 2 hours, you're going to want to punch it as aggressively and strongly as you can, and then take it out and knead it until it looks like so, and then put it in your bread pan and let it sit for another hour or hour and a half. After the hour, I did a little cut on it to make it look fancy, and then I just put it in the oven and let it cook for 35 or 40 minutes. And now you have your finished product.